The movement in New York is nonstop.
It's the most dynamic and amazing place.
So many people pass through LaGuardia from so many places.
The airport is filled with expectations and possibilities.
I'm so excited to have my work in a public setting.
I'm very much interested in the marriage of beauty and meaning.
In a way, I feel like that's a way to connect with the audience.
I hope I make things that people will take a minute to look at.
Art will leave you with some questions in your head.
The exciting part about it is the way it's out of my control.
What is this? What do they mean?
But art doesn't give you answers.
They can challenge us in ways that we don't expect.
Art is at its best when it slows you down.
Contemplation and introspection come as a result of witnessing an artwork.
Hopefully it speaks to them on some level.
I really do believe that artworks can change the way that we experience a moment, our day, our time.
It's for people to enjoy the wonder